What's up guys, Lavik Hassan here from wearemarketer.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress manually on your server. Most of the newbie actually when they go to install WordPress on their server, they did some mistake. So check out this video and learn how you can install it manually and properly. Okay guys, so now you're going to learn how we can install WordPress manually on our website. Okay, so I want to install a WordPress on my this website. It's trafficadvice.com. So if we want to install WordPress manually, then we have to go through some steps. So first step is you need to download the latest version of WordPress. This is wordpress.org. This is the main website official site. This actually, WordPress is a open source software, so you can download it completely free of cost. Okay, so this is the main website. You can download from here. First of all, go to this website and download the latest version from here. See the button, just click on it, and after clicking this link, the WordPress will be downloaded automatically. So I already downloaded the latest version of WordPress. So in the next step, you need to log into your cPanel, your control panel. Okay, so I'm using HostGator. This is my server company. So just log into your cPanel and find on File Manager. Just click on it, and now you need to upload the WordPress scripts on your server. Okay, so here I have a lot of domains. So just select your domains where you want to upload. Just select that domain and just click on upload. Then you will get this page. You can upload your files from here. Just select file and select the WordPress. Just click on open, and it will be upload on your server. Okay, the upload is completed. So now we go to our file manager and just reload it. So see, our file already uploaded on our server. So first we need to extract that WordPress. Just select the WordPress, and in the right side at top, just click on extract, then extract files. Okay, so already extract that WordPress file on our server. I want to delete that zip file. We do not need this. Just select and click on delete and confirm. So now we already extract the WordPress files on our server. Most of the newbie actually make mistake in this step. They just leave the folder in here. We need to go to our WordPress folder and see here have some scripts. Just we need to copy that scripts, and we need to move that on our main directory. Just select all folder and click on move, and here just remove that WordPress and click on move files. So now all of the scripts actually moved on our main directory. Just we will remove this WordPress folder. So we need to create a database for our WordPress. Okay, so go to your cPanel and here search on MySQL Database. Okay, so this is actually our MySQL Database. Go to MySQL Database, and here we need to create a database. So just I'm going to give it a name, our database name actually. So just test 1 2 3. Okay, and click create database. Okay, so we already created a database for our WordPress. Just I am copying this and going to open my notepad and just paste it in here. Okay, now we go back, and now we need to create a user for that database. So go to this database field in the bottom. See here have MySQL users. So we need to create a user for our database. Just give it a name, like I'm giving the same name, just test 1 2 3. And here you need to give a password. Just I'm giving a password. Always try to give a strong password for your database. Okay, so I'm just testing this. Create user. Okay, so we successfully created a new user for our database. Just I'm copying this and pasting it on my notepad. So now go back again. Okay, so now you have to give access to that user to database. Okay, so how we can give access? Just select from here. Just we created a user called test123, and we need to select the database name from here. So I'm just selecting my database name and just click on add. So here you will get all of the permissions. So I'm going to give all of the permission to that user to this database. Okay, so just click on all and make changes. Okay, so our database part actually is done. So now we will open our main website. This is our main website. Just I'm going to open my main website and see what's actually happens. See, here have an option to manually install our WordPress. Okay, so here just select English and just click on continue. Then let's go. So here you need to enter your details information, your database information. Okay, so here you need to input your database name. So we already saved our database name. You have successfully created user. So actually our database name and our username is the same. So I'm just giving it my database name. My username is the same of my database. So just giving this password. So I gave the password is test123 test123. Okay, so database host, it will be local host, and table prefix it's wp. That's okay. Just click on submit. Okay, so now run the installation. So after that you will get this page. So here you need to enter your website title. I'm going to give my website name in here, traffic advice. You need to enter your desired user ID in here. Just I'm going to give it a admin, and here you need to give your password. So I'm just giving my password is test123. Confirm password. Okay, confirm password. And here you need to enter your email address. So I'm giving my email address. And search engine visibility, actually when I'm going to install my very first WordPress site, I personally prefer to discuss the search engine indexing. Okay, so just tick mark on that and click on install WordPress. So now we successfully installed our WordPress. So if you go to your website, just see. So we already installed our WordPress. Now you can log into your WordPress admin panel. So just log in. So my username is admin and my password is test123, then login. Done. So we actually successfully installed WordPress on our site, and it's manually. You can install WordPress on any of the server. Doesn't matter actually which hosting company you are using. All of the hosting company almost the same process. Okay, so I hope now you understand how we can manually install WordPress on our website. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more update.